What are we doing?
Hello Scott, how's your welding going? How's your welding going? Scott, how's your welding going? You muppet.
Fine, by the way, how are you?
It's just about the best. Pour the camera a second.
Yes, mother.
Don't forget the screen. I was tell this is on thing. Put your finger down on Swan. Hey, shut up. Don't make this.
I heard what he said. This is John.
This is Kevin.
That's Kevin. That's Chris. That's Nicholas.
Obviously there's going to be certain stuff that can get in your eyes, like sparks.
And that's just the machine that turns this one on. What are they then?
Lockers.
Duh.
Follow me.
And what's that?
That's Christopher. I think.
Device.
Oh, listen. In here.
That's something you do the whole hammering gimmick with. That's something you do the whole bending gimmick with.
I've got chest lights.
Oops.
I haven't got the mask. Hi. There we are.
Are you going to hold this?
It's hard digging. Come on.
Two gay boys.
Oh, nice just welding there. You know we're using neighbours. That's me. Scott works on his own. There's someone
Scott works on his own so they can do better work, so they can do more. That's called a welder. It's called the tongue.
I'll take it.
Will you back her off?
Back her out. Back her out. Back her out. Back her out.
Back her off.
Come on. Oh, come on. You take the lead. Take the lead. Take the lead. Go on.
Let me go.
I don't know. That bends vessel. That's being cleaned up after we've done. That's another got thing. Dustpan and brushes. That's a special cutting machine. Over here some spare gas cylinders. And I'm currently looking for spare scrap. And currently there isn't any spare scrap, so we'll have to ask John about that. Where is he anyway? Yes, we got to ask John wherever he is. There it is.
Still metal around the back of the guillotine?
No.
You want to cut some? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many?
This. That is another form of welding, though not as bright and dangerous. There we are. She's purified the option. Sorry. Fire exit.
I want to say something. I haven't looked at for nothing.
Well, not yet
I
anyway.
might do, but...
Store the scrap here. The storage should put. That's where all the gases go. They want unwanted gas.
And helmets and...
Yep. The gloves are in this plastic box there. And here's the types of welds. The bottom ones are the correct welds, the top ones are all the welds that are just not right. End of story. Instructions there. How to do welding.
Oh no, they're always go big, don't they? Yeah.
Office with his own computer. And now we're going to get back to our welding now.
Oh, we need scrap.
Yes, we need scrap, we're going to search for that. I hope you enjoyed the documentary show. Not properly accurate, although one more thing, that there where the oxygen, where the particles go, right up in the new dimension. So I hope you enjoyed the program. So, to infinity and beyond.